starting again. This is the Barbie's Tower. Okay, let's start at the kitchen. Let me take out the kitchen. Okay, here's the kitchen. Let's start on the top. This is the stove. You can see it. And here's the sink. Okay, let's go. Okay, here it is. Here's the cookies and a Barbie cake. I got two more cakes to show you. Refrigerator. This didn't came with the house. I put some stuff that didn't came with. I have cookies or cakes. Okay. Okay, let me move it. Let's go to the living room. Okay, here's the living room. Here's Stacy, Skylar watching TV. TV, let's show the TV. First, I'll show you then. Show you the chair that I have. They're designing chair. And then I'll show you the TV. Here's the TV. The channels flip. This is channel and another channel. The couch. Ken is watching TV. He's always bored. Okay, let's go to the stair. Okay, here's the stuff. Okay, here's Barbie sleeping, and Chelsea already grown up, so she's in there. Okay, here's the bed. We take out these two girls. This is the bed. It has a little blankie, and this is the. Oh my gosh, a big mess. Oh, I don't need this. I don't need it, and that's it. This is all the stuff. Suitcase, and here's. It flips one bed to another bed and one bed there. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, here's the sink. The sink always bothers me to put, and let me take out. Okay, here's Stacy sitting on the toilet. I'm waiting. Okay, here's the toilet. It opens and closes. Okay, and here's the shower. There's something. And there's a piece of the bathroom. Wait. Sorry guys. Okay. Let's go to this is the first floor. I forgot to show you, and this is the second floor. Let's go to the third floor. That's here on Barbie and Ken. This bedroom here. It doesn't have anything, so they have this little stair steps right there that I could slide down there, and they have a fun time go sliding there. Okay, let's go to the fourth floor. Here's the fourth floor. Here's Kelly. She's grown up too. She's embarrassed thinking about the big test tomorrow. And here's a pillow of her. She's thinking, really thinking. She's always bored of spelling tests. And she doesn't pass them. Okay, let's stop talking about it. Here's the lamp. There's nothing to show you on her bedroom. But there's little curtains on her bedroom. And whoa, I wanted those beds. Okay, let's go to the last floor, the 5th floor. Dun. Ugh. Here's the last floor. Here's Casey. Casey in the car. This is the garage. And so she's going to drive. There's the UPS. Let me take it off her hair. You see? Okay. So let me give you a quick review of the dream house. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.